On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2020 Forest River Wildwood 26. Enjoy this full-featured unit with all the amenities you need and want to be comfortable for any outdoor adventure. As you enter, the kitchen is on the left. You'll immediately notice the beautiful L-shaped kitchen counter, with integrated double kitchen sink and high-rise faucet. This simple layout gives you plenty of prep space. There's an oven with a 3-burner range top and vented microwave above. An ample storage pantry sits next to the stainless steel refrigerator. Relax in the cozy booth dinette while the chef keeps everyone fed with full kitchen amenities. You can even use the U-shaped dinette and sofa for extra sleeping space. There is an extra storage closet conveniently located next to the forward exterior door. This lightweight camper makes it easy for you and your family to pack up and hit the road. There is a spacious bunk area with storage and space for your pets. You will love the quick access from the second exterior door into the bath so you can get back to having fun fast. There's a mirrored medicine cabinet with sink and linen storage below. And the large skylight in the shower really amplifies the room and lets in the light. Dual entry doors make it easy for everyone to go in and out. Heading back towards the front, past the entertainment console, the private bedroom has a queen bed with dual mirrored wardrobes on the sides and storage cabinets across the top. Grab the family for a weekend getaway, and go make some unforgettable memories with this Wildwood travel trailer. We have hundreds of pre-owned recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this, and a whole lot more, at RV Depot.